everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and today we are going to do the closeout for February. Yes, we are still looking at February. In fact, I'm looking at my desk calendar and I still have February up. I gotta change my desk calendar out, but we're getting on target. We're getting back to it. It's all good. It's all good. So we're gonna go ahead and get that down. I do know I have some funds to put away. I don't know if I'll do that in this video or the next one, but we'll figure that out as we go. But if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in just 1 second. Okay, so I got my little cheat sheet. As you all know, this was one of mine that be looking a mess. So here we go. I pulled the $100 out from the Hexes and Hearts ball. We did, of course, our $300 for envelopes. Sinking funds was that $257. Student debt was $25. That's correct, right? Yes, okay. Lawn was $0. We're right here. AT&T was $70.98. Geico was $184.50. T-Mobile was $180.25. Gym was $10.81. Netflix was $16.77. So I realized I'm going to need to up my Netflix to $17 so that we are not over budget when we are finalizing and fixing that. Home maintenance got that $60. Emergency savings got that $100. Visa got $160. NTTA was actually $80. Because I went somewhere. I'm trying to remember where I went. I went somewhere, and so I was driving quite a bit. But I don't remember where. So anyways, I was on the tolls quite a bit. We had Amazon Music as $9. Cushion got its $8. Giving got its $20. Date got $80. Home maintenance got $60. Emergencies got $10. Car emergency / new. Oh, okay, that's how I got that to fit last time. Was the $15. And let's go and see. Oh, and I added in Sonic, so that would be an unexpected influence. And that was not a budget, but it was $302. Because I didn't feel like switching the money over. So I just put that Sonic on there. Let's add this up and let's see if we get the same total that I got, which should be 1750. So let's see, 100 plus 300 plus 257 plus 25 plus 70.98 plus 184.50 plus 180.25 plus $10.81 plus $16.77 plus $60 plus 100 plus 3.02 plus 160 plus 80 plus 9 plus 8 plus 20 plus 80 plus 60 plus 10 plus 15. 150 and 33 cents. Okay. So now we're going to take our total from last time was 1798. Oopsie. Minus 1750. That leaves me with $48 left over. 1750 and then 48. And now we're going to go over to our additional payments over here. I believe I should have that already worked out. I feel like I need to sneeze. Does anyone else have terrible allergies? I have horrible allergies. Paycheck 2 closeout. Paycheck 1 close. Did I never do my Paycheck 2 closeout? Like where the money is going? Oh my goodness. I don't think I did. I just knew I had $48. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna take some time because now I gotta figure out what I wanna put where. Okay, so I try to put aside, so it's $48. It's not that much. I might put 10 aside for electricity and 10 aside for, or 10 aside for electricity. And 10 aside for lawn, and just leave it at 38. I usually try to have a little bit left over, so that'll leave us with 38. So let's do that. Electricity plus lawn equals 10. And this should be 48 right here. So 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't have change for that. Let's see if I can get change. I think in here I'm just leaving them full, which I am. So we'll go ahead and we'll switch out the 20. And then we'll go ahead and we'll add 10 back. Perfect. And then I'll write in there that instead of it being $40, we're looking at $45 for electricity. And for lawn, we're now at 30. Oh. 45, 55, 60, 90 should be how much we have total. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Perfect. All right, so that's done. Now I don't have to worry about that, and I can move on with my life. Okay, perfect. So we're working with $38 left over. Not that I was expecting to have that much left over, so now we gotta do some things. Okay, y'all. Whew. Okay, credit, debit, credit, debt, house debt. Oh, I've not been paying on my house debt. I should do that. Student loans, security savings, emergency savings, house savings, car savings, tech, and business. We're getting 20% for this, 20% for that, 10, 10. Like everybody gets 10, and then these get 5 and 5, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Perfect. All right, so now we take 38 times 0.2. So I think we're going to do $7 for each of these. And then we get 38 times 0.1. I'm going to do, what's 38.05? So I'm going to do 2 for these. And I think, let's see, it's 38 times 3.8. Let's do 4, 4. And let me see if I can do, okay, 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, 35. So I do probably need to go ahead and do 4, 4, and 4. I think we'll even that out. Clear. 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Wait, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. 38. Perfect. Okay. Alright, so I do need to get some change, which I was also not anticipating because all of these need to be broken. But let's go ahead and, we need to do a cash stuffing and a changing. So we're going to make another video. You know, I used to wonder how did I always have to have all these different videos? I didn't understand it. Well, now I know because this is how. So I'm going to start another video so that I don't run over. I don't like these to be too long, but we will come back. We will do cash stuffing for February Paycheck 2 Closeout. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in just a little bit.